Jane Raddick, Carolina Ocean Studies, talking to all you 5th grade scientists out there. It is April 15th. It is 50 degrees outside. The wind is blowing in my face at 17 miles an hour off and on from the north. And it is indeed precipitating rain right on my face. Standing in front of a salt marsh ecosystem today. Remember, ecosystems, abiotic factors, non-living, plus biotic factors, living, work together, and you end up with your ecosystem. And I'm thinking about how the weather today, which is an abiotic factor, is impacting all those living biotic factors in our amazing salt marsh ecosystem. I'm also standing across from Masonboro Island, that North Carolina Estuarine Research Reserve, which is being protected even more now during the COVID crisis, right? No one's allowed to go out to that amazing island, except probably some of our scientists. Anyways, as I'm standing here as a warm-blooded biotic human being and feeling quite cold because of the abiotic weather today, I am thinking about the other biotic things we find in our salt marsh, the salt marsh grass. I see this beautiful clutch of oysters. I see these mud snails. And I'm thinking, how are all these biotic factors being impacted by this fresh waterfall today? Obviously, this water cycle is not being impacted or stopped by COVID-19. Things are evaporating, condensing, and they are currently precipitating right on my face. So that water cycle still in full swing. All right, guys, just wanted to report in and tell you it's pretty fun to be out here. It is cold, but it's pretty exciting to be out here in the real world, watching a pelican just dove over there and experiencing this abiotic weather impact today. So from me, Jane Raddick, Carolina Ocean Studies, to you, 5th grade scientists, keep asking questions, keep looking stuff up, and maybe you'll go play out in the rain today too. Bye. Hello, my 5th grade scientists. It is Jane Raddick, Carolina Ocean Studies, out here at our friendly neighborhood Salt Marsh, checking out the weather today. What a difference a day makes. It is April 16th, 2020, and we are in a very different weather situation today. We have beautiful sunny skies. Oh my gosh, maybe in the distance you can make out a few cumulus clouds. I'm not sure if you can even see them over there, but we are in the we're in the evaporation part of the water cycle today, and I'm thankful for it. Look at those sparkles of the energy that's shining down from that sun 93 million miles away. Wowza. But what we do have evidence today of from that storm yesterday is our stormwater runoff coming through our salt marsh. I think you can see it kind of running through here. And we're very thankful that our salt marsh is here near the coast because they act as a filter. So they're filtering all of that rainwater that fell on Wilmington yesterday and trying to get some of those pollutants out before that water ends up in our estuary and then eventually ends up out in our ocean. So remember, our estuaries, a little bit fresh, a little bit salty, brackish water, but they are nurseries. And so if we can have less pollution thanks to our salt marsh and thanks to everything we're doing in our own world to try to prevent polluting, it's better for us all, and especially for those small marine animals that are hoping to make it through the food chain and maybe out in the ocean. Now, we also have some other cool, obvious parts of our energy exchange system today, some different parts. We have a producer. We have some alva, right? That's a single cell producer photosynthesizing away. Wow, soaking up that sun's energy, producing its own energy. Yee-haw! Right, very cool. We have some little mud snails. I don't know if you can even see them moving. I'm going to hold this still. You can see that one moving. And if I pick it up, can you see that snail inside? I get too close. Get our mud snails, they're consumers, right? You can see our oyster clutches. Oysters also help filter the water. So today I'm sure they're filtering some fun stuff out of our waters, right? And of course we have our salt grass again producing today. So we've got that energy exchange going on, which is pretty cool. We do have some wind today coming out of the northwest. It's about 10 miles per hour every now and then, but it feels glorious on my face because I'm not getting pelted by that precipitation I was yesterday. So it's pretty fabulous out here today. There's Masonboro. Oh, and we got a pelican coming in. Oh, look at that pelican. Anyways, Masonboro over there holding steady. So it's a good day out here. Different weather, because weather is what's happening today, right now. So our weather's always changing, but what a fun day. So hope you guys get a chance to get out there today and maybe pretend you're a producer and that you're just soaking up that energy from the sun. We can get some vitamin D, so that is a good thing for us biotics. But lots of abiotic beauty out here today, impacting all of our biotic salt marsh. So anyways, that's me, Jane Raddick, COS to you, 5th graders. Go outside, soak up some abiotic sun, and have fun.